high blood pressure, hypertension. It's become such a common term, or in last 40 years the cases have literally doubled up. And when there is hypertension, we know that this is a leading cause of heart issues and stroke. So when we get to know that we or our family member has got high BP, we start worrying about their heart health. Now during high blood pressure, there is constant pumping of blood at very high pressure. Now because of that, there could be narrowing of arteries, there could be narrowing of blood vessels of the kidney. So inflammation of heart or heart damages or blockage of arteries or kidney issues or even blindness. This is something which we see with hypertension. Now, few of the reasons which have been attributed towards the increase in number are poor lifestyle, when people are not eating nutrient rich diet but a lot of processed food, or there's too much of alcohol or smoking, or there is less physical activity. Some other reasons like genetic or medical conditions are also few of the reasons, but the increase in number has basically come from poor lifestyle. So today we'll talk about the nutritional therapy, what we can do, right things in nutrition to lower the BP naturally. Also people who are on borderline or who have a tendency genetically, what is that they can do so that they do not get the issue of hypertension. First of all is eat real foods. So when I'm saying real foods means a lot of whole grains, lot of legumes, fresh fruits, vegetables or healthy fats, because इनमें है nutrients. जब हम बात करते हैं न्यूट्रिएंट्स मतलब B6, B12, फोलेट, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, पोटेशियम, एंड ये सब न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमें चाहिए टू कीप आवर हार्ट हेल्दी. Now basically a plant based diet, so more of plant based diet can actually keep your heart healthy. प्लांट बेस्ड डाइट में एक और बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है दैट दे हैव लॉट ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स लाइक विटामिन सी और विटामिन ई, और वो हमारे ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस को कम करती है. सो इफ देयर इज एनी इन्फ्लेमेशन इन द हार्ट और देयर इज इन्फ्लेमेशन इन द आर्टरीज, इट हेल्प्स इन रिड्यूसिंग दैट. So secondly is plant-based diet is also good in fiber. Now we all know that fiber-rich food is also very good, or fiber-rich diet is also very good for a healthy heart. So especially soluble fiber जैसे कि oats or maybe legumes, they are one of the best things to be eaten for people who have high blood pressure. Now along with eating real food, it's very important to stop eating dead foods. So when you hear this word dead foods, so जितने भी processed food हैं या आपके junk food हैं, इनको मैं बुलाती हूँ dead foods, because इनमें कोई भी ज़्यादा nutrients नहीं रहते हैं. So these foods could be anything which is like a ready-made cereals or your foods like biscuits or namkeens or ready-made ketchups and dips or frozen food जिसको आप fry करके खाते हैं. So all these foods are high in sodium, they are high in refined sugar, they are high in refined flour. So they can actually damage your body, they can damage your system by increasing the inflammation. So please avoid all the dead foods, all the processed food, and restrict the quantity if you have to have. अगर आपने बाहर खाना खाना है या अगर आप कोई ऐसी चीज़ ले भी रहे हैं तो बहुत कॉन्शियसली लीजिए, बिकॉज इनमें एक और चीज़ होती है, वो है सोडियम. जब हम सोडियम की बात करते हैं, जब हम बीपी की बात करते हैं, सबसे पहले लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना सोडियम कंटेंट, सॉल्ट कंटेंट जो है खाने में कम कर देते हैं. बट सॉल्ट कंटेंट एक्चुअली खाने में तो बहुत थोड़ा ही हम डाल रहे हैं. मेजरली आपका जो सॉल्ट कंटेंट आ रहा है वो इनविजिबल फॉर्म्स में आ रहा है, जैसे कि फ्रोज़न फूड्स या डिप्स या केचप्स या मेयोनेज़, ये सब चीज़ें जो आप खाते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो आर वेरी वेरी रिच इन सोडियम, एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग विच कैन डैमेज योर सिस्टम. सो रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर क्वान्टिटी ऑफ प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स एंड क्वान्टिटीज़ ऑफ ऑल द जंक फूड. चलिए अब बात करते हैं कि कौन से ऐसे फूड्स हैं, कौन से ऐसे फंक्शनल फूड्स हैं जो आपके बीपी को नेचुरली हेल्प करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज़ सल्फर रिच फूड, से फॉर एग्जांपल गार्लिक हो गया, लहसुन या अनियन. इफ़ यू इंक्लूड दैट इन द डाइट, इट्स समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर हार्ट. Then is beetroot. So beetroot, because it has nitrates, it also helps in promoting your heart health. So include beetroot in your diet regularly. So it could be made into beetroot sabzi or maybe a small portion of juice, or you could use beetroot in a paratha. So however you like beetroot in your diet. Also including healthy fats जैसे कि fish में या walnut या flaxseed या avocado, that helps because it has omega-3 and omega-6. They have a right proportion of it, so they help in lowering the BP in a natural way. Even potassium rich food. So when we talk about potassium rich food like potato or banana or avocado, they help in lowering the BP naturally, because potassium जो है हमारे हार्ट को गार्ड करता है बाय रिड्यूसिंग द इफेक्ट ऑफ सोडियम इन द सिस्टम. सो इंक्लूड अ पोटेशियम रिच फूड regularly in the diet. Similarly, coconut water is something which helps in balancing the electrolytes of the body, and it is known and it has been seen that it helps in reducing the blood pressure. Including vitamin C rich food जैसे कि oranges या lime water, that also helps to reduce the BP naturally. Now, along with this, you also have to restrict your consumption of caffeine and alcohol, because we know that they are not very heart friendly foods, and if you smoke, you should quit smoking immediately. Exercise also helps in promoting heart health, but before you start exercise, if you're not doing any exercise right now and you have high BP, तो पहले अपने डॉक्टर से ज़रूर कंसल्ट करें. So what kind of exercises, light walks or stretching or yoga to start with, and but make sure that you're including some exercises under doctor's supervision on a regular basis. Along with that, controlling your stress through meditation or including some hobbies can also help in lowering the BP. So by now, you exactly know what you have to do to control your BP and to keep your heart healthy. So let me summarize this for you. First of all, plant-based diet, that is whole grains, fiber, a lot of fruits, vegetables are very good for heart. You have to have them on a daily basis. You have to reduce the consumption of all the processed food, junk food, or whatever food you're ordering from outside. You have to have functional foods जैसे कि coconut water, vitamin C rich food, या आपने नींबू पानी, beetroot, apple, oats, flaxseed, walnuts जैसी चीज़ें अपनी डाइट में regularly include करनी है. Along with all these therapies, you also have to make sure that you're having potassium rich food जैसे कि banana, avocado, sweet potato. Now along with that, आपने रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज करना है, योगा करना है, मेडिटेट करना है, डी स्ट्रेस करना है, कोई हॉबीज़ इंक्लूड करनी है, so that your stress levels are lower. And you have to also be sure that you are quitting smoking completely and you are controlling on your caffeine and alcohol consumption. So follow these tips and I'm sure you will have a healthier heart, your BP will come down naturally, and you will have a healthy and a long life.